Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Prepare on a flat, clean surface with soft cloth to protect the watch. Turn off the watch or lock the screen to prevent accidental taps. Identify your Series 9 case size as 41 mm or 45 mm for strap fit. Use clean hands and remove jewelry that might scratch the watch. Find the release button on the back of the Apple Watch case. If you have a tight strap, hold the watch firmly while pressing the release. Now get ready to slide the strap out in the next step slowly. Place the watch face down on the soft cloth so you can access the back. Press and hold the small rectangular release button with your fingertip. While holding the button, slide the strap sideways parallel to the case edge. Do not lift. Sliding motion prevents bending the internal connector pins. If the strap does not slide, press the release again and reposition your finger. Repeat for the other side using the same press and slide technique. Place removed straps aside on the cloth to avoid losing small adapters or dirt. Align the new strap's adapter with the watch slot while face down. Slide the adapter into the slot until you hear a soft click indicating lock. Check that the adapter sits flush and does not wobble when gently pushed. Repeat for the other side, matching orientation so the strap lays correctly. Attach the watch to your wrist and test the fit, adjusting the band length. Ensure sensor contact and comfort. Avoid tightness that restricts blood flow. If the strap fails to lock, remove and repeat the slide technique.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.